Do you really need to buy a green or blue screen to be able to remove the background of your videos? Hi, my name is Maëlle Antoinette, influencer to Maëlle Professional and leader of Team Face Fairies, and welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to be talking about blue and green screens for the novice, because that's what I am. I have no clue what I'm doing. So if you watch this video and you have some tips for me, make sure you comment below. So I'm going to share with you a clip that I did early this morning. Now, granted, it is Father's Day, so happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there. Do you really need a green screen? Well, I tried taking a video with white screen, removing the background, and this is what happened. Yeah, that didn't work. And then I put up this fitted bed sheet, which you can see the wrinkles right here. I haven't taken it apart because I didn't know really how it was going to work. And this is what ended up happening. Okay, this is a test. Ooh, my hair. Oh my goodness, I got to do my hair. Well, my conclusion is that the green screens can work if you have a sheet or maybe you paint your wall behind you. If you have the right color green, it has to be a fluorescent color green. Now, how did I get this black background behind me? Well, make sure you subscribe to my video. If you click on this card, you're gonna see how I made that black background for absolutely free, and I think you're gonna be pretty amazed. Do you really need a blue screen? Do you really need a green screen? I think that they're helpful. I think that you probably could go to the fabric store and do what I did, which was tack it up onto your wall. You probably need 6 by 6 feet of fabric. And I don't know how many yards that is. Yeah, I was never really good at math, but it turns out to be 6 feet. Anyway, but you want to get fluorescent green. If your family allows you to do it, you can tack it up on your wall and then you can do your videos. Okay, but now I'm wondering, does it really matter with the blue or green screen the kind of camera that you use? Because I use an M50, which is pretty high detail. And I have my ring light right here. So I'm going to go ahead and flip it to my cam to see what that looks like. So as you can see, this is not working. Although we can see the background clearly, I'm transparent. That's not going to do. And the coloring is like so off. I think it's off because I'm using my iPhone 8 instead of my camera, which has really great detail. I'm still using the ring light at the same setting. So let's change the color of the sheet. Wow, that makes a big difference. But look, the wrinkles, they're showing up. By the way, this video was filmed with an iPhone 8 camera and without a ring light. So if that's your excuse of why you haven't gone on video, throw that out the window. And if you want to know where I got this really beautiful wallpaper, I created it. If you need a wallpaper, contact me. So why would you want to use a green or blue screen? Well, to remove the background. And some people use this in order to showcase their product, or perhaps they don't want a white wall, so they want a beautiful background. Anybody who has maybe clutter behind them or something distracting or not appealing background, they can use a green screen behind them to take that out and replace it with a other background, which is really cool. And that's why I love green screens and blue screens. I particularly don't think that this green screen is green enough. It is a green, but the quality and the color of the green is so important for the software to be able to pick that up. If you have any tips and tricks on green screens and blue screens, I'd love to hear them. Comment below. Thank you so much for watching and subscribing. This is Maëlle International, and remember, you are perfect just the way you are, so you just keep on being you.